Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about the Brahmagupta. Number 1. Brahmagupta was an ancient Indian mathematician and astronomer. Number 2. He was born in 598 AD in Ujjain, India. Number 3. He made significant contributions to number systems. Number 4. He introduced the concept of zero as a number. Number 5. He provided rules for arithmetic operations involving zero. Number 6. He made advances in geometry and trigonometry. Number 7. He described the motion of planets and their orbits. Number 8. He also contributed to the understanding of astronomy. Number 9. He died in 668 AD. Number 10. His legacy continues to impact mathematics today. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.